Hello everybody, hope you had a great weekend and feel ready to do some more good work in Education City this week. We're going to have a little bit of a look at this one, which is about multiplication patterns. Again, hoping it works. So, you've got to have a look at the task, and it's a little bit different this time because you need to use some of your English skills as well and try to write some sentences. So, here is a multiplication table. Now we've seen those before, we know how they work. So you've got the numbers in grey across the top and going down here. So all of the numbers in the middle are the times tables for those numbers. Okay. So for example, the 4 times table is here. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Okay. Now that's 1 4, 2 4s, 3 4s. So if I wanted to say what are 6 4s, I'd go 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 24. If I wanted to do a bigger one, I could do 7 9s. Now I can go two ways, but as long as I start with 7 or 9, I'll be okay. So if I start with 7, I've got to go to 9, 63. But also I could have gone 7, 9 here, 63. So 63 is in those two places. So the lovely looking young boy with rather large blue eyes has found a pattern, and it's the numbers highlighted. He's highlighted the pattern. What is it? What do you think the pattern is? So you've got to look, okay, why has he highlighted this one, but not that one? Okay, so you need to spend some time looking at the pattern at the number square, and when you think you have an idea for why he highlighted those ones, you need to try and make some sentences here. So it could be, I think the pattern is he is highlighting whatever you think it is, but try to put a reason. I think that because. Now it's not an English lesson, however, you've got lines to write sentences on, and I'm expecting pretty clear sentences. I'm not expecting to see a lowercase letter here. I'm not expecting to see a full stop in the wrong place. I am expecting to see a full stop at the ends, and let's see how we get on. Okay, good luck.